Nice and easy. Let's give it a shot. It's C-Mac and I am back for another video. Today we are going to be working on a custom, but before I mention the custom, what do you guys think about the new space? I moved stuff around. I'm like, you know what? Last look for me was not like something I was like happy about. This one makes me a little bit happy. No, we got my shoes finally back in the background, cover for the messy ass closet, and just everything just easy and accessible. Actually today we are going to be working on another t-shirt. I do these often where I have like this flannel and an actual t-shirt that I want to kind of combine together, and I love the way they always turn out. So I did thrift Harley Davidson shirt, and then I also thrifted this like flannel matches, both green and yellow, or have green and yellow in it. So you already know I'm gonna combine them together and make this nice cool shirt. Other than that, I'm not gonna talk your ear off anymore. Let's get straight into the video. These are always a good easy kind of way into getting to sewing, or by making these shirts. So I'm just gonna take my flannel, lay that as flat as can be, and we are just gonna take our scissors and cut the top where the collar starts straight down to the bottom. So we're at least taking the collar and button up part away. Boom, so we're gonna remove the middle part, and we're gonna go over to our t-shirt, lay our t-shirt out, and we're gonna do the same exact thing. This time though, we are just going to try to cut as close to the sleeve off that we can. So from the top shoulder seam all the way straight down. Boom. Now we're just gonna sew this all together. Nice and easy. We're gonna take our seam, or our folded right there, and attach it to our folded top seam here. Right sides facing together. We can clip this. Then all we're gonna do is just sew. I like to start at the top seam where we just clipped, and sew one side all the way down the front, and then sew all the way down to the back, just because the shirts may be uneven or a different size than each other. So that's the way I like to just kind of make sure that they're staying even, at least by the shoulder seam. So we're gonna clip, and then we're gonna sew for both sides. So just like that, it's all sewn together. We are gonna go ahead and hit the seams with an iron just to make sure that it's laying flat. And then also on the bottom, you can see what I was talking about, that it's uneven with the shirt seam. So the flannel was a little bit longer. We are gonna cut it off and then hem it up to make it look cleaner. All right, y'all, and this is what the shirt is looking like. Nice and easy. I love it. I mean, there's not too much to say about it. Like, it's a nice, cool way to upcycle your graphic tees and flannels. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. As always, make sure to smash that like button, stay positive, and of course, I'll be back for more videos. Bye.
Get out your feelings and get it yourself. Might got the same shoes, but you ain't gon' step. That shit that you just put out, you could've kept.